Hi, this is Ron Drake at NuFlush, and here is a canister model dual flush for a 2-inch flush valve assembly, and it has a adjustable overflow tube that goes up and down, and you just need to twist it to open it up. And it has a one-piece toilet. We also have them in 2-piece toilets, but this in here has a button assembly. One of the buttons is bigger than the other, and it's for the big one's for a full flush and the little one's for a half flush. So you can take these apart pretty easy, and as they twist open, get it here, it comes apart, and it has a seal in here, which if you can pull the seal out of your flush valve, you can measure it and replace the seal. A lot of these valves don't need to be changed, they just need new seals. So make sure that if you don't necessarily need to buy a new complete flush valve, ours are interchangeable and we have extra seals for all of them. All you need to do is get the right measurement, and you'll see all the measurements on our website. And my name again is Ron Drake, and I am always available on my phone, my cell phone, 303-880-0830, and or you can call the office, and all our numbers are on our website, and we're easy to find because of our spelling, NuFlush, N-U-F-L-U-S-H. So look at our website and you will see all the different valves and things we have that are really upgrades into what you can get from the factory.